Have you ever felt like your business is stuck in a rut, unable to grow past its current level and taking a holiday is basically impossible? If so, you're not alone. Many small businesses, especially those new to hiring, overlook a crucial aspect that can make or break their success, and that is systems and processes. Without these foundational elements in place, hiring the right people becomes nearly impossible, in my opinion, and with my experience. I believe that true hiring success begins with establishing solid systems and processes first. From hiring to onboarding to day-to-day operations, these systems and processes are the backbone of your business. They empower your team to work at their best, bringing out their full potential in your business, creating structure and accommodating growth. But perhaps most importantly, they give you the one thing that you can never get enough of, and that is time. Whether it's taking a month-long holiday, and I mean a holiday where you can switch your phone off and trust that your business is still thriving without you, or to me, time freedom is working 4 hours a day so that I can enjoy the destinations that I'm traveling to. Achieving true time freedom is virtually impossible without the right systems and processes in place. If this is the first time that we've met, I am Shannon Teague. Like you, I've been through the ups and downs of remote hiring and building a team. Over the past decade, I grew my first business, which was a remote recruitment temping company, into a multi-six-figure success. I had a team of over 80 amazing people while embracing the remote lifestyle and traveling to more than 35 countries. To date, I have hired over amazing people globally for various clients and projects using my proven hiring system. I've published 2 books on simplified team building and scaling, and now I teach these strategies to remote entrepreneurs at the start of their hiring and team building journey on how to build their first dream remote team without expensive mistakes or wasted time in our online hiring academy 4-week fast track program. But it wasn't always easy. When I first started hiring my first business, it was a complete mess. Even though I hired a small support team to take off some of the load, I was working crazy hours and feeling far from the dream of a remote lifestyle. That's when I realized I needed to change things, and fast. I went on a year-long journey of learning about the power of systems and processes, where I was mentored by some of the world's best. This literally changed my life because it was the key that allowed me to leave the UK, which is where my business was based, and it allowed me to travel the world while growing my business back in the UK. I understand firsthand how it can affect your business and personal life and how challenging it can be to build the right team without systems and processes. I see this mistake happen every day. Business owners new to hiring diving in without a clear plan. I can tell just from the job description or post on Facebook how disorganized one's business is and the kind of operational chaos that they will face later on. And that's why I've created today's video. I'll break down why having solid systems and processes from the start of your hiring is so important. Plus, I'll share one of my top systems that saves me and my team hours every day. If you're tired of searching for things in your business, stick around because I have got the solution for you. Let's kick things off by talking about the long-term consequences of not having systems and processes in place when you start building your team. Let's dive in. First up, you will hire the wrong people. Without a proper hiring process and system in place that is centered around your company culture and vets the people coming through your hiring funnel, the chances of hiring lazy, undedicated people are extremely high. A good hiring system makes sure you avoid the frustration of discovering that they are a poor fit after hiring them and having to go through the agony of firing them and having to start the hiring process all over again. It will also mean hiring people that don't really connect and creating a team that will probably not get along too well. When you've got a good hiring system in place, it funnels in people who fit your company culture. You build a team of people who actually enjoy working together, therefore easier to build long-lasting relationships because people won't want to leave a place they enjoy working for. For example, my hiring process, which we share with our members in our online hiring academy, runs automatically and is developed around our company culture. I only get involved in the final stage interview. People who match our culture book a slot during my set interview times, and these people fit around our company culture and vision. Others get filtered out as they move through our hiring funnel. I don't rely on CVs at all for vetting suited people for my business. They just help me understand their work history and come up with skill-based interview questions at the last interview stage. And that is it. Okay. And then second up, my friends, we have efficiency. Without clear systems, tasks become chaotic. Inconsistent work and wasted efforts affect your team's productivity. They'll constantly be searching for things and asking for your guidance without proper systems and processes from them to work from. Third is the growth of your business and team. As your business expands due to hiring, you may struggle to keep up, hire new people, and grow your team fast enough to meet client demands as your business is growing. This can overwhelm you as much as not having a team at all. But now you'll also have to deal with your team and clients' issues to manage. Therefore, it will be a lot more to deal with. I know this may sound like a good problem to have, but trust me, it's not. It is a really painful experience and will cause you sleepless nights. You want to avoid this. The fourth common issue is relying on people, not systems. Depending too much on a specific team member is risky. If they leave or can't work, your business suffers. This mirrors the problem of your business grinding to a halt without you. But now it gets multiplied because your team holds critical operational knowledge of your business that you as the business owner don't have access to, which is a really dangerous situation to be in. The fifth is quality control. Without set processes, maintaining consistent quality becomes challenging, harming your brand's reputation and also disappointing customers. To address this, start tracking complaints from both your team and your clients and use them to identify areas for improvement. Wherever there are issues or complaints, it means there is a lack of a process or system. If you track this information, you can use these issues as a roadmap for creating processes and systems in your business so that you can fix the problem and it doesn't happen again, making your business more efficient. Sixth is stress and burnout. Workplace chaos stresses out your team and leads to high turnover rates, which is a real pain. Finding replacements costs money and eats up your time, especially if you don't have a solid onboarding system in place, which of course I don't recommend if you are starting to build your team. Plus, it's not a good look for you as the leader if your team is constantly stressed out. In my opinion, if that's happening, you're not quite hitting the mark as a leader. Your aim should be your team say that it is the best job they've ever had working with your business. And that's the goal that you should strive for when building a team. And then seventh is missed opportunities. Clear systems help you identify areas for improvement and drive growth. Without them, you'll overlook chances to improve your business or add services or products that are in demand. And then you'll have delegation issues. Without clear guidelines, delegating tasks becomes complicated. It's hard to gain control when you're unsure how things should be done. If you, like many other small business owners, are confused about what tasks you should be delegating, watch my video here for how I figure out which tasks to delegate to my team every time I hire in my business. I don't want you to feel empty-handed. As I've promised, I've created a simple system for you to start with. You can download your copy from the descriptions video. And I call it the Asset Toolkit. This toolkit houses everything that you and your team need daily or regularly, all in one place. No more searching or asking around. It's a game changer for streamlining your operations. It's a simple yet really powerful tool. You create tabs for everything in your business that you and your team need access to. So, for example, in my toolkit, I have 22 tabs covering everything from company databases and dashboards to the software you use, links to the materials for our academy, members, social media channels, forums, our live masterclass links, and other useful resources. It's a comprehensive solution to keep everything organized and accessible at all times for both me and my team. I've included the most common tabs to get you started, but feel free to customize it to fit your business. As you start to get used to it, you'll keep adding more and more to it, and eventually you won't be able to live without this in your business. This is just one of the many valuable systems we provide in our Online Hiring Academy program, and I really hope that you find it useful also. Let me know in the comments what you think. And hey, talking about masterclasses, if you're interested in taking this knowledge further and learning how to build your first dream remote team without going through the years of trial and error, then join my live free masterclass. where you'll discover my 4-step framework for building your first dream remote team without expensive mistakes or wasted time. You can find a link in the description, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you there. So, bottom line, my friends, getting your systems and processes sorted early is like getting insurance against future headaches and operational chaos. It's what keeps your business on track for the long haul. While having loyal team members is fantastic and should be the goal when building our team, the truth is that people come and go. Life happens. That's why relying on systems, not just people, is crucial. Systems stick around, they're dependable, and they can be passed down to new team members, ensuring your business keeps growing smoothly. So, to wrap things up, I'm going to share one of the most valuable lessons that I've learned in my business journey to date. Everything, and I mean everything, is your fault as the business owner. Once you accept this, life gets a bit easier. If something goes wrong in your business, it's your fault, not your clients, not your employees. It's yours because it means that something is lacking, and it's your job to sort it out until you've got a team in place to handle operational issues. When I embraced this mindset, things shifted for me. I started taking responsibility and turning every challenge, mistake, and complaint into an opportunity for growth for both myself and my business. So, my friends, if you found this content helpful and you are venturing into this unknown world of building your first dream remote team, then hit the subscribe button and join me in growing the largest remote business community online. Let's help each other grow so that we can travel the world, spend time with loved ones, grow a successful business and teams, and do whatever we want without being glued to our laptop 24/7. And I'll see you next time.